through this competition, I'm hoping to find new powertrains, new aerodynamic designs, and new combinations of things that were not thought of before. So when the next aircraft designer gets up there, instead of just saying, I'm gonna do what has been done for the last couple of decades and make it slightly better, they now say, well, wait, all of these other things are possible. With these ingredients, what can I do that has never been done before? And what we're seeing out here over the next couple of days is pure innovation, unbridled, and it's just amazing to be a part of.
Scientific engineering failure is a great thing. It's the way we grow. As scientists, without making mistakes, we don't learn to understand what the fault was. So the more you make the right mistakes early and learn from them, the better you are in the long run. Success for me is inspiring the community, not just the military community, but the public on trying to come out and do something that they're willing to try that's never been done before.
What I'm looking forward to once the Lift Challenge is completed is reflecting back maybe next week, a month from now, maybe a couple years from now, and knowing that I had a small part and role in making history.
What I can't wait for is the product of that. What's going to happen in a year, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years? I can't wait to see what comes out, what industries are made because we make this breakthrough, what new capabilities and companies and organizations sprout from this challenge right here.